Hello my YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my 2021 jewelry collection. I filmed a similar video last year, but as you can tell, my jewelry collection grew quite a bit this year. I added a few more pieces to my collection and I just can't wait to share them with you. So where should we start? Let's start with my engagement ring. If you watched my last video, you know that I got proposed in Barcelona. So it was pretty much like our last trip together, well, outside of the United States. And my fiance, well, now husband, he proposed to me in Barcelona on the first day when we arrived. So I was completely jet lagged and I didn't know what's going on, but he took out this ring and I just absolutely love it. Before he proposed, we actually went engagement ring shopping together because I want to make sure that he knows what my preference is. Well, let's be honest, engagement rings, especially from luxury brands like Tiffany, they're not cheap, right? They're pretty pricey, and I just want to make sure he picked the one that I will absolutely love, and I would just get a smile on my face every time I look at it. And it's so successful because he did pick the oval shape solitaire from Tiffany, and I'm glad we went shopping together because he told me he was originally trying to get the bell from Harry Winston because back in the 2019, I think that was the most popular design, and Harry Winston, obviously, it's a lot of girls' dreams if you watch Gossip Girl, right? That's what Trunk used to propose to Blair. So yeah, but I'm just really glad that we went shopping together. I really like how the design, it's very simple, very elegant, and it's not like popping up too much like the the Tiffany setting. Not that I say I don't like the setting, I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and also it will just, because it's popping up, so I think it will just the diamond look even bigger. However, for me, I think I will imagine myself wearing the ring every single day, so I told my husband I would prefer something that is more, that's more flat, so staying closer to my finger, so otherwise I feel like in the winter it might scratch my sweater or something, but yeah, I just absolutely love this. The main stone is about 2 carats, and as you can see, there's halo around it. There are also little diamonds on the side, and I think it just add this bling to your finger, and every time I look at it, I just feel super happy. All right, enough about the diamond. Let's move on to the wedding band. If you watch my other video of Hermes, you know that I got my engagement rings, well, not engagement, but the wedding band from Hermes. So this is the style that we picked together. It has this very subtle H logo, and for mine, it has a little bit diamond, and for my husband's design, I think it came without the diamond. But my husband's last name initial is H, so that's why we figure this is just a perfect ring for us. And plus, it's very smooth. You don't really have too much edges on the ring, and you can see here it has Hermes engraved inside of the ring. I just absolutely love this. Well, to be honest, I feel like this doesn't really go well with my engagement ring because they are of different styles. I think my engagement ring is on the fancier side versus I think the wedding band is just much simpler. But I don't mind wearing them on different hands. So I usually wear this on my left hand, on my fourth finger, and wear this on my right hand. And then with these 2 rings, the wedding bands are the ones that got me started, with my Hermes journey. And I was later offered my Hermes Constance in the gold color. Yeah, if you haven't watched those videos or my Constance unboxing video, please go check it out. All right, moving on to the necklaces. The necklace that I wore the most in 2020 and 2021 is this thinnest necklace from Hermes. And this has like a 0.4 or almost 0.5 carat diamond. And it came with like the rose gold chain. Well, to be honest, like giving it a second thoughts, I might choose like white gold if I were to pick again. That's because I feel like I almost have like all my necklaces in my collection are all rose gold or yellow gold. So I really want to add one in the white gold. But again, like if you're not familiar with Hermes, you wouldn't know like which brand this necklace is from. So I would say like this is very low-key, and you can wear it to work, you can wear it every single day. It just adds this extra sparkle on your neck. And this finesse necklace also helped me score my first Birkin 25 in the color Ebene. All right, moving on to Van Cleef. Oh my gosh, how cute it is. I really love the butterfly design in the mother of pearl. And I think what's so special about Van Cleef is look at the chain. I think the technology they use to cut the chain is just like so magical, and it adds so much sparkle when you look at it under the lights. So I absolutely adore it. This is not the most popular design, but it is also from the Sweet Alhambra collection. I've had this necklace for almost 7 years now, and I think I wear it quite a lot. But if you look at it, it's pretty much brand new. So I've heard people wear this to shower, and it's absolutely okay after a few years. So yeah, I think investment piece for for Van Cleef for sure. But I'm thinking about like getting another piece from Van Cleef, probably another necklace. But what do you think? Now that I'm waiting for my next Quota bag, should I, wait and save my money for Hermes, or should I invest in Van Cleef? Please comment down below and let me know your thoughts. The next necklace I want to talk about is this Bvlgari one. I got this one in the Heathrow Airport in London. I think the Heathrow Airport is where you can buy the like the cheapest Bvlgari pieces, and I think I paid around like 1,200 pounds to get this one, and it's like tax-free. Yeah, so I also picked the mother of pearl, and for this one it came in the rose gold chain. So if you compare this one with my Van Cleef necklace, you'll see like the chain here is a little bit darker. I think it has this like red undertone versus I think for the Van Cleef one it's more yellowish. All right, last but not least, let's move on to Mikimoto. I got this pair in the airport when I lay over in Japan, and I just love the pearls. I think Mikimoto makes the best pearls. And then they also serve the royal family in Japan. And for this bracelet, oh my gosh, I just love how like the pearls are scattered, and they use the chain to connect all of this together, and it looks really feminine. So every time when I wear something that is girly, I would definitely reach out to this pair. This necklace plus the bracelet, I think they make a perfect pair together. All right, the last two pieces in my collection are the watches. Well, I'm not usually like a watch girl, but I started collecting watches from this one. This is my first luxury watch, and this is from Hermes. Well, a lot of people, if you're a serious like watch enthusiast, you might say Hermes watches are not real watches. But hey, I really love their design. And the leather strap is just like, I think it's uncomparable, right? Because this is the Bohemian leather, and then you can smell it, and it's really sweet. And I love the white stitching, which matches perfectly with what they have here, like the Palladian hardware. And yeah, there are a lot of like designs and little details into the watch, and I think it's just very classic, and it matches with all your outfit, and it's also very low-key. Last but not least, yes, the Rolex watch. So my husband got this one for me, and this is my 30th birthday gift. We've been looking for this green dial watch for a while. We checked out a few Rolex boutiques, but You know, none of them had this available, and we got lucky when we visited the one in Carmel, and somehow they had, maybe it was the car week, so they had this one available, and it was displayed on the you know, outside the window. And when I saw this, I knew like we need to get it. And this is in the oyster steel, or some people call it the stainless steel, and it doesn't have like the bezel, so it's plain. And what I really love about this is this Datejust 31 millimeter came in the mint green dial. Look at the dial right under the lighting, and also when you wear it, you know, in the sunlight, it's just absolutely gorgeous. I think green is the most classic color from Rolex, and I don't think you can go wrong with a Rolex watch, right? All right, so that's it for my 2021 jewelry collection video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I do believe now that jewelry pieces are really good investments, and you can wear them like for a long time, like a decade or like a few decades, and potentially like pass them on to your daughters, to your even your granddaughters in the future. So, and you can wear them every single day. If you take care of them, they will be still in pristine condition after a few years. All right, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.